My name is Ketura. I am studying first class. MPPS Pittalagudam, Gurampur Mandal. I am going to the story. Mr. Pumpkin is the king of vegetables. Princess Tomato is that she is red, soft and sweet and kind. The king wanted the princess to give an award to the most well-behaved person in his kingdom. He invited all people from various places: brinjal, potato, carrot, bitter gourd, green chili, and lady singer came for the award. One by one, tell me about your qualities to get the award from my daughter. Bitter gourd comes forward. I am good for health. I want the award. Yes, you are good for health, but you are greedy. Lady singer comes forward. I make people clever. Give me the award. No, you are rude. Red chili comes forward. I add taste to all curries. I want the award, but you fighting some people. You are bossy. Potato comes forward. I am very popular. You have to like me. I don't have to like you. Just I don't name is Little. I am studying first class. MPPS Pittalagudam, Gurampur Mandal. Name is One day a squirrel saw a mango in a tree. The squirrel up the tree to eat the mango. A monkey was sitting in the tree. The monkey said to the squirrel, the mango is mine. You cannot have it. The squirrel, SAID, said, brother monkey, tell me, I am very HUNNRIY, hungry, PLEASC, please let me eat, help. My name is Kushnavi. I am studying second class. My school name is MPPS Pittalgudam. My Gurum Mandal. Two uncles house. Ritu is excited. She is going to his uncle's house with his father. They are going to the bus stand in a car. Now they are in a bus. Why do you think Sidhu is excited? Tire burst the bus stop. Sidhu is sad. People come out of the bus. Sidhu, how shall we go to Hyderabad, Nana? Sidhu's father, wait and see. Sidhu is impatient. They see a jeep coming. It stopped in front of them. Sidhu and his father get into it. But it does not start. Sidhu and his father get down. Sidhu is upset. They see a bus coming. It stops in front of them. They get into it. It moving. Sidhu is relieved. Soon Sidhu shows tall buildings. Bus stop. Busy stop. Many busy and many buses and autos. Sidhu is nervous. My name is Krishnavi. I am studying second class. My school name is MPPS Pittalgudam. My guru the fly went to and lo, woman, what's my name? Grandma said the fly, sorry dear, I don't know. Go and ask my son. He is a potter, he might help you, said the woman. The fly went to hear son Potter. Potter, please tell me my name. Asked the fly. I am very busy in making pots. Go and ask the barber, said the Potter. The fly went to the barber and said, Barber, uncle, do you know my name? I am busy in trimming. Please go to the tailor. My name is Bhargav Ram. I am studying second class. My school name is MPPS Pittalagudem. My mandal name is Gurambun Mandal. My read name Snoopy comes to school. He wants to see Sidhu. Snoopy goes to class. To the headmaster room. Sidhu is not there. Snoopy comes to class 5th. Sidhu is not there too. Snoopy goes to class 4th. Sidhu is not there even. Snoopy goes to class 3rd. He does not find Sidhu there also. Snoopy looks sad. Sidhu. Snoopy goes to class 2nd. He finds Sidhu sits there. Snoopy is happy. He goes to Sidhu and sits beside him. The children laughed. Sidhu says friends, he is my pet. Snoopy, I love him. We are very much Sidhu's friends. We gave some biscuits to Snoopy. My name is Beulah. I am studying in 2nd class. MPPS Pittalagudem, Gurambun Mandal, District Nalgonda. Rain. It is raining. It is raining on the houses, road and wheels. There is rain on the flowers, fruits and leaves. It is raining on the green grass. There are water drops on the green grass, and they are singing, sailing. Abhi and Sidhu are floating paper boats. Some children are jumping. Sweetie and Snoopy are also playing with the children. Children are
Splashing. Each.
My name is Jeshwant. I am studying in second class. MPPS Pitalaguram, Gurampur Mandal. Rahim got ready to go to school. His sister Radhya was not ready. Didi, why are not you ready? Wait, it's already 8:30 a.m. Radhya laughing. Rahim said, why are you laughing? Didi, mother, father, grandmother and grandfather laughed. You are why all laughing? Shouted Rahim. They said, don't you know today is Sunday? Ha ha ha. Sahasra. My name is Sahasra. I am studying third class. My school name is MPPS Pitlagoodam. My mandal name is Gurampur. I am going to tell one story. Once upon a time, in a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. A cheerful mouse came there, saw the lion, climbed onto the body, started playing. Lion walked. My name is Shashi. My father name is Saidachari. My father occupation is carpenter. My mother name is Jyoti. My mother occupation is tailor. In fourth class. My school name is MPPS Pitalagoodam. I have one brother. I have no sister. My village name is MPPS Pitalagoodam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My mother's cell number is I want to become a police. My name is Tejasvi. My father name is Nagesha. My father occupation is shepherd. My mother name is Santosha. My mother occupation is I am studying third class. My school name is MPPS Pitalagoodam. I have one brother. I have one sister. My village name is Pitalagoodam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana state. My country name is India. My father phone. My father's cell number is 6304751873. I want to become a doctor. My name is Sakita. My father name is Narsimhachari. My father occupation is carpenter. My mother name is Dhanamma. My mother occupation is housewife. I am studying 4th class. My school name is MPPS Vittanagudam. I have one brother. I have 2 sisters. My village name is Vittanagudam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mother name is Nalgonda. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My father's cell number is 9603381496. I want to become I want to become a police. Seshra. My name is Sasra. My father's name is Ramesh. My father's occupation is labor. My mother's name is Dhanlakshmi. My mother's occupation is housewife. I am studying 3rd class. My school name is MPPS Vittanagudam. I have no brothers. I have one sister. My village name is Vittanagudam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana state. My country name is India. My father mobile number is 9182512646. I want to become a doctor. Srividya. My father's name is Vimulingaswamy. My father's occupation is farmer. My mother's name is Renuka. My mother's occupation is shepherd. I am studying in 4th class. I have one brother. I have one sister. My school name is MPPS Vittanagudam. My village name is Vittanagudam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My father's mobile name is 8106963883. I want to become a teacher. My father's name is Bhaskar. My father's occupation is auto driver. My mother's name is Kavita. My mother's occupation is daily labor. My school. I am studying in 4th class. My school name is MPPS Vittanagudam. My village name is MPP Vittanagudam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My mandal name is 950228621882. I want to become a doctor.
3 start.
My name is Jayashrita. My father's name is Chandramoli. My father's occupation is daily. My mother's name is Rajita. My mother's occupation is housewife. I am studying 4th class. My school name is MPPS Vittanagudam. I have 2 brothers. I have one sister. My village name is MPPS Vittanagudam. My district name is Nalgonda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My father's cell number is 9010549969. I want to become a doctor. My name is Gayatri. My father name is Swami. My father occupation is labor. My mother name is Fatima. My mother occupation is daily labor. First one. My school name is MPPS Vittalagudam. I have two brothers. I have no sisters. My village name is Vittalagudam. My district name is Nalagunda. My state name my mandal my state name is Gurampur. My name is Prince Jaya. My father name is Krishna. My father occupation is farmer. My mother name is Pajata. My mother occupation is homemaker. I am studying 4th class. My school name is MPPS Vittalagudam. I have one brother. I have not sister. My village name is Vittalagudam. My district name is Nalagunda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My mobile number is 9177155017. I want to become a collector. Introducing myself, my name is Subhanu. My father's name is Bhaskar. My father occupation is auto driver. I am studying 5th class. My school name is MPPS Vittalagudam. I have one brother. I have one sister. My village name is Vittalagudam. My district name is Nalagunda. My mandal name is Gurampur. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My father mobile number is 9502286218. I want to become teacher. My name is Bhagaram. I am studying 2nd class. My name is Bhagaram. I am studying 2nd class. My father name is Lingaswamy. My father occupation is My name is Akshita. My father name is Narasimhachari. My father occupation is carpenter. My mother name is Dhanamma. My mother occupation is housewife. My school name is Vittalagudam. I have one brother. I have one sister. I am studying 4th class. My mother name is Gurampur. My district name is Nalagunda. My state name is Telangana. My country name is India. My father's cell number is 9603381496. I want to become to collector.